Hello everyone, and today I am playing Roblox. And this is Happy Sunshine is here, and I am going to go. And I haven't played this game for a little bit of a while, so that's why I'm going to the Crystal Cave to work out my moves. Crystal Cove, okay.
But it would make much more sense if it said cave.
Yeah, true. Ooh, what's this? In my money. I love money. In my money. I love money.
Stop it. Stop it. Actually, real.
No. It would be so awesome if I did avoid it. No. I hate my life. I didn't delete it. It gave me the cost for not waiting it. Oh! Now I have enough room to go. Going here. Everyone, good luck me. Woo! I am waiting and it's not even happening yet. Like, when is this game gonna happen? You know what? I have an idea. Wait, are they doing spectate? They are! How dare you! You made me wait for like a yippee year! Yes, a yippee year! And look, I'm 10. And I'm level 10.
What's a yippee
And oh!
year?
I gotta use the phone. And let's do it again. And I'm expecting. Actually, now I feel kind of bad. Actually, now I don't, because she's like, okay, let's see what's happening in the spectators. She's in something dark. Wait, that's all her? Oh my god, girl, it's all up to you. What are you doing?
He's just hiding.
So the time runs out Smarty Pants.
But then the beast wins.
Wait.
The time runs out.
Wait, the beast wins if the time runs out?
Yep.
What? That's no fair.
Yeah, because the survivors didn't flee the facility.
Beast, lose, you beast. Also, this is going to...
Oh, the goal left.
Yeah, this is getting quite weird. And do you know what's actually very weird? That I posted and I didn't even see that. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Yes, now it's blocking the exits. Haha. No, you can't get in or you can't get out. This is my side. Join me.
This update has been here since Christmas.
Anyway, I will read the magic of CT book. Terry, what does it say?
In memory of my first game that kickstarted my career. So, yeah, it's 24 hours.
Wait, I'm the beast?
You're the beast.
I'm going to shift. I don't know what happens if I shift. Da 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 da.
You just shift.
Wait, what? Oh.
You want me to help?
No, I don't need any help, Tally.
But I'm good luck losing.
Losing? Who said I can lose?
Go on, I think I saw someone. Oh!
I hate that girl.
I need help.
No! I can smell them. Da 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 da. I can smell them in here. Da 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 da. I know they're moving. Da 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 da. No! I can still smell them. The track of the smell. It's here.
Smell the feel.
Oh man, I can't go under. I guess I'll go to the door. Gets angry.
What are you doing?
Da 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 da.
No! Give me that. Use your phone.
It's so close. I don't want to go.
Use your phone. Use your phone. Fine. No, that's how you could get. Left click.
Left foot click. No, I lost it. I need your help. You can see.
Oh, she left.
Ah man, so she can't move.
Okay, let's think what it was. Oh gosh.
A hack. Did you know what failure hack was? Says, I think so. He's ascending the minds of the Lord's going from my minds.
They still have full computers, what the heck?
I'm sorry guys, my real one was Happy Sunshine, but I wanted it to be Happy Sunshine. So, but my real name is, in real life is Happy Sunshine. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. 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 Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What? Aren't I so hilarious? No, don't make me jump out or cliff. Here.
Oh, got her.
Got him. Yeah, we got her trashy. So
you meant so to pussy. Yes.
Yes. Man, this is the life.
Yes. You got it.
I'm going to the training center. Do I have a nap or something? Wait,
If you do it, then you'll go. Oh. What? I don't know. Just try it.
no, I won't. Because I think if we might.
I'm
trying to-
do it.
Obey me, everyone. I'm your queen of the service. Comment down below. Am I actually your queen of the service? If I have money and gold, I'm rich. Ah! Stop! Stop! No, you can't unbuy my Queen and Thomas. Please.
You only have $2 in your bank account. What do you call it? What does that make you rich? I'm so confused.
Well, at least I have something. No, no, no. I need a push stop. Oh, no, don't push me off. Don't push me. No, 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 no. No, she's making me try to be pushed off. Help me. Oh, this is so scary. Get off. Yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. La 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 la. Whoa! I'm not doing that. La 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 la. Help me hack. Wait, I'm hacking. Chili, I'll tell you one.
Why can't you hack? This is sad.
I didn't learn how to hack.
Why can't you hack?
Hack. Hack.
Press the E whenever that red bar gets away. You see? Whenever when that red thing pops up, look, watch carefully. See? When it hits the white, then you press E.
Okay. I hope it didn't fail. No!
Help me, guys. When it hits the white, not the red, not the gray, that's the sticky.
I'm sorry I failed you.
Tina, you said...
Don't say I'm such a big fat noob. Oh, and Olive said that. No.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, Siri, I hope you're good at psyching. Okay, no, we are like really hoping. Like, did you see our other video? We were like doing other musicals and all that stuff. Comment down below if you like one. Which one's your favorite one? And that was also Terry's video, not mine.
This is your video.
The other video that he sent. And also, I love you guys. But oh, she's not following us anymore.
Okay, Tina. Okay,
Terry.
I'm giving you a hacking level. Okay. Whenever when it goes to the white, you press E.
Okay.
You have to pay attention to the screen too. The school's helping you, okay? Oh my god! Why don't you hack? Oh my god.
I don't know why.
Oh, no. Oh my gosh, you can't hack?
I'm sorry.
So sad.
I'm sorry. No. Got no fun. And I even tried it hard. Good job, Tom. No. Tune, please don't die. She's camping. Hack. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh, she's following us now.
No!
She wants.
No!
We saved her. Maybe she'll save us, right?
That's...
But that's...
We'll have to stop recording in a few more seconds because the maximum time is 15 minutes.
Save me. Oh, if you don't, please comment down below if we would know what to do when this is happening.
And guys, our camera's almost dead.
Yeah. So we're just saying that please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe.
And comment down below
and we'll
if
see
you would
you.
like it in this too.
And we'll see you all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We said we were done,
But just kidding. Yo.
Okay, but we're almost gonna be done, okay?
Yeah, we're almost.
Yep, when we die. When we
die.
Oh.
And I can't believe that girl didn't save us. We saved